I'm just turning the shit off. The phone is so heavy. The phone's heavy as fuck. I would have swung it right there if there wasn't a car behind me. Oh, it's so heavy on my head. Oh, I forgot about the window. The wind noise. I wish there was a place like right over here to just. Got a little tunnel. I could keep going straight up here too, maybe. I honestly feel like over here would be the best option though. Oh, you know that parking lot by the behind that furniture store?
By my mom's?
No, over here.
Oh. Yeah, try it. So we gotta hurry up.
Yeah, I know. I want to just swing it. I never even swung this car like that. I've done like fishtailing and shit, but I never did like actual.
So smooth. Ooh, this. Imagine you hit this whole curve. It's not a big enough angle.
This would have been a nice one.
You would literally have to be like.
Yeah, I think I know where to go.
Dude, if there was like a circle patch somewhere over here. That's risky though, on why you get scared you don't want to go off the road and shit.
Yeah, I'm not a pro.
You never know. GTI.
But I know this car good enough to when I need a counter steer and all that. Oh, I was about to. My God. I think I got the perfect spot. It might be bumpy, but there might be smooth parts of it.
As long as it ain't too bumpy, it ain't gonna hurt nothing.
No, I just want to be smooth instead of bouncing like that, like that. Yeah, this is the place I wanted to buy my car. When it was in like limp mode because of a sensor that I broke. Yeah, I broke one of the sensors for when I did the suspension, and then they couldn't even figure it out. But then my MHD plug-in was telling me like one of the sensors is bad, but it wouldn't tell me. It said this it said the rear right, but then I couldn't tell what sensor it was, so I just guessed and I got it, so it turned off. it out. Oh yeah. That shit's bumpy. But we gonna do it anyways.
But no, you just gotta go to a spot where it's not. See how bad it is. That was raw. Dude, that was raw as fuck. That shit swings fast.
I know. That's the problem.
It really does. Like, dude, you gotta like be quick with it. Counter steering and shit.
Oh, you hear all those rocks.
Yeah, I know. The only spot that might be fine is back in that corner, and that's if you're lucky.
Dude, you can hear them all the tires are warm.
Dude, that was crazy. I didn't really think that was gonna be loose.
Oh my god, brother, ain't nothing. That's horrible, dude. I ain't even gonna lie to you.
Yeah, that's bad.
That's horrible. Well, we could do a rolling burnout. Yeah, dude, that's horrible.
This is lit. You know how cool that shit looks when you're doing that?
Yeah. I'll let them hoes up. I ain't gonna lie. Look at the fucking trail.
Oh.
No, it was damn. They warmed up.
Yeah, that shit warm. I know you wanted to.
Yeah. That curb is tweaking me out. You can smell the rubber. Whoa, what's back there? Oh, that's gravel. That shit's so fun. I'm trying to swing though. That was like a rolling burnout too.
That was fucking
I mean, these tires I gotta get new ones anyways, right? We ballin'. Oh, damn. Can still smell the rubber. It'll still be a good video. Still be a good video because I think I mean, we could hit Haribo real quick.
Just go to Haribo real
Just
quick.
swing it and then dip.
Yeah, how much my shit was really dry.
That felt good. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Like getting up and being like, oh, I might just go swing it a little bit today. Like it's way more fun than being like, oh, I might go race somebody today.
Right. Yeah, they spin instantly.
Oh, that wasn't bad.
I know, but the place it's at is just sketchy. I tried to shift up to third to keep it going, dude, but then it started bogging. I shifted back down to second. I was gonna get a fat
Is that
one.
what that was on your burnout?
Yeah, I was hitting I redlined in first and then I hit second to keep it going while still hitting the brakes. And then I went to third on an accident. And then it was bogging, so I downshifted. They got cameras here or no? Big bump. Big bump. shit right here in the middle of the street. But you know that roundabout down there?
Yeah.
Yeah, that would be perfect. So it's nice by having the stock tires on. You can just anytime you want. But it sucks when I'm like, if I would try to race, it'll spin. And that could be a car that I'm racing that like could be dead close with me and I can't be spinning. You know what I mean?
Yeah, but
And then that can make me lose.
tell him I'm not on my slicks right now.
You need to do what that one GTI is doing. That's a fire setup.
Oh, I know.
The one that you showed me.
I need slicks so bad because I spin hard in second. I'm starting to spin in third with the cold weather. Just only a little bit though, like off the start.
Yeah, we're just here to take pictures. That's it. People have already done some here. See that right there? Those look a little big though to be some tires.
This is the spot where I almost fucking went up there. We're Gucci. Damn. You know what I want to do? Like I want to like set my phone up on the curb or something, like recording this way while we do it. Cause I kind of want to stay in the car. I think I'd be fine.
If you think so.
I got ice on my shoulder. It should be good. It's either I take a video like here or I take.
Or
it
you can
outside.
just set your phone up.
Outside?
Just record it and put it against the curb or the tree.
Yeah, just so we can get a video of how it looks outside. Cause I kind of want to be inside too while you're doing it.
Yeah.
Even if it hurts, so I can just get out.
You'll be straight. I'm not gonna be going that long anyways. Bro's got a cast on and shit.
Hopefully you can see it.
Yeah, it will be quick anyways. What is that light right there? Oh, they turned. Yeah, I'm gonna try to do like a wide, try to keep it going wide instead of just spinning like this. That ain't that fun.
Yeah, like try to control it and shit.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah, bro.
We gotta do it. We gotta do it. We gotta do it. We gotta do it. Hurry up. Hurry up. There's security coming. Hurry up. Come on, we're going.
You're right.
We're going. Come on.
You're so right. There is security.
We gone. Oh, what's up here? There's security right there.
I forgot about those guys.
Oh, yeah, they can call the cops easily.
Yeah, get out of here, shit. We got a blue. They probably don't know what a Supra is, but I got a blue car over here drifting in the airport parking lot.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
I didn't think of that. Security people. You'll be good though. Don't get too nervous.
We'll be straight. Hey, I hope y'all liked the video. We outie.